Let's create our first API. Enter your unique API name. While the platform provisions your infrastructure, connect your GitHub account and explore the documentation. Access your Git repository for version control and collaboration. Get on board quickly with our Clean CLI tool. Your CI/CD pipelines are already set up and working. Your API is ready and running, complete with servers, databases, cache, background task system, and much more. Try it now. Create your administrator account and log into the admin UI. Set secure credentials for your API admin account. Explore built-in data management features. Edit email templates with real-time preview. Use the API client interface to test your endpoints. You can also test and trigger background tasks. Track and manage system errors. Analyze dashboards with key API metrics. Schedule tasks and review their execution history. API-YIP provides a pre-configured multi-version API framework. Manage your database and storage safely. Experience the power of AI-driven API creation. Let's submit an API description to the AI. API-YIP will generate the source code, run tests, and deploy it as an alpha version, ready to use and test. It only takes a moment, and you can continue working while everything is being prepared. Your AI-generated code is deployed and running. Check the source and test it. It works like an AI-generated pull request. Review, test, and iterate. The platform automatically deploys AI-generated code as an isolated alpha version for testing. Your AI-generated API is live, ready to experiment with, and fully editable as a professional API system. Thanks for watching.